What's really unique about Superior is how conservation-minded the town is. They care deeply about the landscape, and so do we. Resolution Copper volunteers are one of our favorite volunteer groups, and I'm not just saying that, it's true. They know how to work hard, they come prepared, and they really integrate well with our team.
It's unique to see a bunch of miners out on the side of the road picking weeds, but we do it because we care about the environment. Resolution Copper really supports what the Boyce Thompson Arboretum is doing here, and there's a mutual effort in preserving everything that is here.
Invasive species take over all of the local native vegetation, so it makes it harder for the native vegetation to grow. So it's important to remove those plants whenever you can.
I love that the company gives an opportunity to volunteer, especially in the community. We truly are environmental stewards. We care and we're willing to volunteer.